We engage each of your employees every 2 weeks with an email that contains recommended jobs, updates on the statuses of their previous referrals, and any special campaigns that you're running. Each email is automatically customized to fit each employee. At the top of the email, you'll find that week's promotional message. These are eye-catching images and messages that keep your email fresh each time it's sent out, and they can be configured to change each time. Next, you'll find special promotions or campaigns. If you're running a targeted campaign, like a raffle or a sweepstakes, the eligible employees will get a notification here. It even shows them if they've qualified for the campaign yet. Next are your open jobs. The system analyzes each employee's job title and location and matches them with up to 5 open positions at your company. If you have 1 or 2 jobs that you'd like to promote to everyone, you mark them as hot and they'll jump to the top of everyone's list. Below the jobs, your employees will find updates on their previous referrals. They can see where they're at in the application process and click through to make changes to their endorsements or to send them another message. If you like, you can include an employee leaderboard at the bottom of the email. We've done extensive multivariate testing on the email copy, content, and subject lines, and our employee engagement is the best in the business. After clicking through the email, your employees are taken to the referral portal. There are several different ways for employees to share jobs. We'll quickly review each one. First, the quick referral. If you already have someone in mind, you can refer by clicking General Referral. Just supply the relevant info on the referral, write an endorsement, and indicate how strongly you endorse your referral and how well you know them. If you like, you can get basic matching from LinkedIn. Our system pre-fills the LinkedIn search with your job's qualifications and location. Just copy your friend's profile URL from LinkedIn into the form. Unlike our competitors, most of whom just provide a shareable link, our system provides your employees with a template of what to say and allows your employees to send their referral a message directly from within our system. Because our application is delivering the referral message, we can track opens and click-throughs. If you like, you can have our system send the referral invitation or choose not to send one at all. And unlike our competitors, all our messaging is white-labeled with your branding. You won't get hung up on explaining who Employee Referrals is to your employees, agents, or candidates. You can quickly share a job with all your friends and followers on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter. Just select the social network and click Post. This works well for positions without strict requirements for which many people are qualified. But remembering to share can be a real pain, so we created Auto Share to save you some time. Just select the networks, messaging, and frequency, and our algorithm will automatically post jobs to your wall on your behalf. You're in complete control and can reconfigure it or even turn it off at any time.